Hi there. I was wondering if I could take a moment of your time to impart upon you the wise words of my prophet and savior. There are only 7 of them. And tits. Oh, were you thinking of someone else? No, my prophet and savior is George Carlin. You may know him from iconic movies such as Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure and Dogma. Or, like me, you may have followed his over 50-year career in stand-up comedy as the king of sarcasm. In 1972, George Carlin was arrested on an obscenities charge for his stand-up skit of 7 words that you can never say on television. Those would be and tits. Of course, now we hear all of those words regularly on all streaming platforms. However, back in the 70s, censorship bureaus had a lot more control over entertainment. I'll leave a link to his bio in the description, but I'd rather share some of his most insightful quotes. If it's true that our species is alone in the universe, then I'd have to say the universe aimed rather low and settled for very little. Inside every cynical person, there is a disappointed idealist. Don't sweat the petty things and don't pet the sweaty things. Never argue with an idiot. They will only bring you down to their level and beat you with experience. And my personal favorite, laugh often, long and loud. Laugh until you gasp for breath. Black seed oil, also known as Kalonji oil, is harvested from the black seeds of the Nigella sativa plant. Commonly known as black cumin, the seeds have been used medicinally for thousands of years in Southwest Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Taken internally, black seed oil supports digestive health, reduces inflammation, alleviates allergies, soothes aching joints, aids in weight loss, and supports the endocannabinoid system. Further, black seed oil can reduce acne, soothe psoriasis and eczema, and give you a really healthy head of hair. Some sources even claim that it cures cancer. With all these supplements out there that claim to cure cancer, why is it still around? Black seed oil is commonly taken orally in a dosage of 1 to 2.5 grams per day for a period of 4 to 12 weeks. It is also best when taken with honey. Please consult your doctor before taking black seed oil if you are taking medications or herbal supplements for the following conditions: high blood pressure or blood clotting issues, as black seed oil can lower your blood pressure and slow your clotting time. Autoimmune disorders, as black seed oil can boost your already overactive immune system. Diabetes, black seed oil lowers blood sugar. Sedatives, black seed oil can increase their effects. Fluid retention, black seed oil can also interfere with the efficacy of diuretics. Toxicity via melanthin poisoning and allergic reactions can occur with prolonged overuse of black seed oil. Basically, everything can be poisonous in the right dosage. Please be safe with your supplements. Do you want teeth so white that they blind people with their brilliance? If you're worried about having teeth the color of, well, teeth, then Smile Direct Club has you covered. Order their teeth whitening kits, follow the instructions, and you're on your way to a bright white smile. How does it work? Spread the goo on your teeth. Said goo is essentially a hydrogen peroxide base. Then plug the LED tooth whitening mouthpiece into your phone and stuff it in your mouth for 5 minutes. Repeat this process twice a day for a week and voila! You're blinding people with your unnaturally white smile. What do Amazon reviews say about the Smile Direct Club teeth whitening kits? 5-star reviews state that it works very well, amazingly so, and better than most other tooth whitening products. 1 and 2-star reviews said it didn't work, it wasn't for small mouths, and it sent 1 person to the hospital with an allergic reaction. I did notice that my teeth were whiter for a short amount of time, but like anything else, as long as you continue eating, drinking, and smoking the things that are staining your teeth, they're just going to go right back to that natural tooth color.